Hello, this is Painting for Profits at Robin's Nest. This is the Don't Tangle My Tinsel Tuesday. In this video, Terry will be painting something for Christmas. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, not only to my channel, but for the other creators. And check out the playlist where you'll find other wonderful videos on Christmas in July.
If not, I'm sure my daughter will let me know. Okay, everybody, I'm going to go and do my first live. I got my screen all base coated. Thank you all for all the nice comments yesterday on my red and white screen. So, I base coated this screen blue. I had a lot of people ask to try a blue one. So, here we go. When I first put the screen together, I use a roofing tar, a white roofing tar, and that's what creates this more matte background. Then I go over it all with blue, and then I just add in my detail. So if you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, I'm just going to sit here and paint like I normally would. And I don't use any pattern. I just kind of go out there on my table and start painting an outline. And then come in here, and while I'm watching TV, I add in all the details. And painting on screens is one of the hardest things I've ever painted on, because I don't like it when you can see through the back. And it'll take a couple of coats of each color. And kind of outline everything with some black. Just using a little bit of red off my brush, I put in some cheeks. These greens are really popular at our shows. They usually sell right off the bat, but they are very hard to find. My friend Paula was cleaning out a house the other day and found 8 of them, so I was lucky enough to get 8. Because after these are gone, I have no idea when I'll have any more. When I'm doing the nose, I just add in a little bit of red at the same time. And I may be able to get by with just one coat on here. Okay. So then I'm going to add a red scarf to him. They don't take very long after you get the screen prepped and get it base coated, then they go fairly quickly. I'm going to have to raise this up a little bit. These things are hard to maneuver. See where I splattered paint over here, but I'll clean that up with white paint when I'm done. It's so hot in here that it shouldn't take very long for this to dry, and then I can add the stripes to it. I'm trying to get these screens done before it turns off cold in the next couple days, because then it's going to be tough to paint them. The paint won't dry very well. A couple buttons. Let that dry, and then I'll go back over it with white. Then I'm going to do his outline. Just real simple brush strokes on this. But the secret to doing a screen is using that roofing compound. It's the same stuff they put on mobile homes roofs. And then go to his eyes. And this is the part I like the best, because it seems like they come alive once you put their eyes on. Okay, let me check and make sure this is going okay. And I can't see on there. Oops. And there goes a bottle. Oh, you guys can see me. That's all I need to know. I've got, oh, hold on.